Hi beauties! So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a back to school makeup tutorial. So as many of you know, we're going back to school very soon, and I thought it would be fun to create some looks that you could possibly wear over Zoom, or if you're going back to school. So first I'm going to be doing my brows, taking the Tarte Natural palette and using my lavish brush. I'm going to be using the shade Smoke Show. I'm going to start by following my eyebrows and creating a line naturally. Next, I'm going to go under my eyebrows and just fill in the rest of the line. Okay, now I'm going to be brightening under my brow, taking the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and I'm going to be applying it first with a few dots on this brush. Usually I will just dab it all around my eyelid to blend it in. Okay, for my concealer, I'm going to be taking the Benefit Boing Cakeless Concealer. I'm going to be doing a little line under here, and then another one up this way. Okay, once my concealer is blended, I'm now going to be taking my Ciate setting powder. So for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm going to be bringing it up into the crease. So now once that is blended, I'm going to be taking my Tiger Collection Shade Planet, and I'm going to be using, fiery. I'm going to be applying this over here. The same palette, I'm going to be using the shades Roar and Tiger Eye and blending them in with my finger to create glitter. Now that my eyeshadow is done, I'm going to continue with my face. I'm going to be taking my Tarte Life at the Party palette and using their bronzer shade. First, I'm blending it in with a sponge. So once I finish, I am now using my Hoola Benefit bronzer and blending everything in. For my blush, I'm going to be taking the Ace Beauty palette and just combining all the shades. For my highlighter, I'm taking the Artist Couture highlighter. My Too Faced Canary Diamond highlighter. For my mascara, mascara, I'm going to be using the Story Cosmetics. Now I'm going to highlight the inner corner, taking some ColourPop Super Shock highlighter. Usually I don't like to do a lot of lipstick, so I'm just going to be taking some Tarte lip gloss. To complete this look, I'm taking my Ciate Everyday Vacay Setting Spray. And this is the finished completed back to school look. Thank you so much for watching.